On the 12th of July 2016, the new Immigration Act comes into force, and with it, a series of new measures will also come into force. One of the new measures concerns the labor market and should be taken seriously. It will become a criminal offense if a person who is subject to immigration control works when she knows that she is not entitled to do so, or if he or she has reasonable cause to believe that she is disqualified from working. A person convicted of working illegally will be liable to imprisonment or a fine, or even both. From the perspective of the employers, the new Immigration Act also makes several changes in law to penalize the employers. Employers will not only be liable to pay a penalty per worker illegally employed, but they will also be liable to a prison sentence that increased from 2 years to 5 years. Employers will also be faced with the closure of their premises. The Immigration Act will also bring changes to the rules concerning landlords, DVLA, and bank accounts. The new Immigration Act also promises new penalties and prison sentences to those who rent or let houses to people who do not have legal right to stay in the UK. Driving licenses can also be revoked, and bank accounts can be closed according to the new Immigration Act. One of the most important changes that the new Immigration Act will bring is the change to the appeal system. According to the Immigration Act 2014, an appeal can only be brought forward if it relates to a claim for international protection or a human rights claim. There is no clear definition of what the Home Office considers to be a human rights claim. The Home Office approach is that some applications do engage human rights issues and some do not. If your application does not have issues relating to human rights, then the only way to challenge this is with an out-of-country appeal. These measures have not yet come to force, and we don't know exactly when they will. If you have not yet made an application to regularize your stay in the UK, we advise you to do it now rather than delaying it. Most of the issues relating to the new Immigration Act will come into force on the 12th of July 2016. It is important that you understand your rights. At MKSuri, we can provide you with the best expert advice, so don't delay. Call us now.